Today, I'm going to show you how to import invoices from a CSV file in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online Advanced and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Sales. Then, go to the Invoices tab. At the top right, find the Create Invoice button. Click the small drop-down arrow beside it. Then select Import Invoices. This opens the Invoice Import area. Before uploading your file, click Download Sample CSV. Open the sample file and use it as a guide for your own spreadsheet. Make sure your CSV file follows the format QuickBooks expects. Check that important fields like invoice number, customer, invoice date, due date, item details, quantities, amounts, and tax information are entered correctly. Avoid formulas, merged cells, extra spaces, or unsupported characters. Once your file is ready, save it as a CSV file. Return to QuickBooks and upload the CSV. QuickBooks will guide you through the import steps. You may need to match your spreadsheet columns to the correct QuickBooks fields. Review each column carefully so the invoice details import into the right place. Next, check the preview before finalizing the import. Look over the customer names, invoice numbers, dates, amounts, taxes, and totals. If you notice mistakes, go back to the CSV file, fix them, and upload the file again. Once everything looks correct, continue through the prompts and complete the import. QuickBooks will process the file and add the invoices to your invoice list. After the import is complete, go back to the Invoices tab to review the imported invoices. From there, you can send, print, edit, or record payments for those invoices. And that's how to import invoices from CSV in QuickBooks Online in 2026.